Morning children, I welcome all of you to today's maths class. In the last class we discussed a lot of things regarding calendar. Appu has a lot of doubts and he clarified all those doubts with his grandfather. We know that Appu's birthday was celebrated on 29 September. This time Appu was telling 6th November is grandfather's birthday. We know that 6th November 2021 is a Saturday and next Saturday is the wedding day of his parents. Remember, my dear children, both these occasions are coming on Saturdays. Everybody take out the calendar 2021 and check both these Saturdays and tell me the date. Yes, his grandfather's birthday is on 6th November Saturday and wedding anniversary is on 13th November Saturday. Did you notice one thing? There are 7 days, that is 1 week between these days. So now you just add another 7 day with 13th November and tell me the date and the day. Yes, 20th November is also a Saturday. So generally we can say that if you add 7 days with any day, you will get the same day of next week. But date will be different. My dear children, just check your calendar whether it's right or wrong. Yes, what we came to know is the difference between each week is a matter of 7 days. Now, I hope you can find out any day and date without looking a calendar. Let me ask you one thing. If 7th March is Monday, if it is so, find out the date of the next Monday. Yes, it is 14th March. If February 10th is Monday, if it is so, what will be the date of February 25th? Yes, Tuesday. Here, February 10th is Monday and next Monday is 10 plus 7 is equal to 17th. And next Monday is 17 plus 7, 24. February 25th is Tuesday. That is next day of Monday. My dear children, take out the calendar 2021 and tell me how many same week days are coming in this particular month. Yeah, Sunday, 5, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days, Friday and Saturday, 5 days. How many days are there in month of January? Yes, 31 days. Just find out the same week days from the calendar 2021 and write down all these in your notebook. Look into this chart. Can you tell me in which month 5 Sundays are coming? Just check this table and tell me. Yes, January, May, August and October. How many days are there in 2021 calendar? Yes, 365 days. In 2020 February month, there are 29 days. That means in 2021, there are 366 days. Appu also noticed this. He was telling 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. February month has 29 days. But he was not sure why it is like that. He he just clarified it with his grandfather. Actual days in a year 365 plus 1 quarter days. This is calculated according to the speed of the earth rotation around the sun. The earth is taking 365 plus quarter days for a complete rotation for our convenience. Normally we are saying there are 365 days in a year. And those quarter days, that is 4 quarter days altogether, we are adding 1 day in every 4 years. That is why February is getting 29 days every 4 years. Normally February has 28 days. Leap years are those years which has 366 days. We know that 2020 is a leap year. That means February got 29 days. If it is so, can you tell me the next 2 leap years? Yes, 2024, 2028. Can you tell me 2021 is a leap year or not? Yes, ordinary years. In the year 2021, can you tell me January 1st, which day? Yes, Friday. In the same year, that is 2021, can you tell me December 31st, which day? Yes, Friday. Every ordinary years we can see, it starts and ends in same day. On the other hand, during leap year, then compared to the starting day and the ending day will be the next weekday. We know that 2020 is a leap year. So, in this year, January 1st is Wednesday and the year ending day is Thursday. In the leap year 2024, January 1st is Friday. If 2018, January 1st is Monday, then in the same year, December 31st, what will be the day? Yes, Monday. That means every ordinary years we can see it starts and ends in same day. Today, we discussed a lot of things regarding calendar. Now it's time to wind up the class. Okay children, see you again in the next class. Bye.